Namaskara, welcome back, guys. So, we will be doing our exercise 3.2 in this video. So, the first question, solve the pair of equations by substitution method. So, in the last video, we have learned the substitution method. Okay, now by solving these questions, we will be understanding it more better. And yes, finally, in the exam, you have to solve such questions. So, let's practice them. So coming to the first question, what we have, x plus y is equal to 14, x minus y is equal to 4. Yes, so we have to substitute one of the variable of one of the equation in the other equation. Correct? Yes, which seems easier. I feel this is easier. Why? Because the number is small, and the second thing is you have minus here. When you send it here, it is going to become plus. So there is something always in the mind that if there are everything is positive, then we feel it comfortable while solving, isn't it? So that is why I'm going to take this equation and substitute. So yes, what I'll do is x is equal to 4 plus y. Okay, minus y, when it comes here, it will become plus 5. Correct? Yes. So this is going to be my equation number 1. I'm going to substitute this into this. Okay, now in place of x, I'm going to substitute this. Why? This is equal to x, and that is why I'm going to put this into this. So how does it look? Let me first write the equation now. So x means 4 plus y is equal to 14. So y plus y will give you 2y is equal to 14. Send this side, minus 4. 2y is equal to 14 minus 4 will give you 10. So y is equal to 5. So 2 ones are 2 5s. So I got my y. Now substitute this into this equation now. X is equal to 4 plus, in place of y you're going to substitute 5. So 5, so x is equal to 9. So my y is y, y is 5 and x is 9. Got it? So to verify it, what you can do is just take one equation and put these values and check. Now for example, x plus y is equal to 14. We have 14. Yes, x is 9 plus y is 5. Yes, 9 plus 5 is 14. Next, you can check with this also. X minus y is equal to 4. My x is 9 minus 5 is of course 4. So yes, my variables, my solution for the variable is correct. Understanding? I hope you got this. Moving on to the next question, which is s minus t is equal to 3. S by 3 plus t by 2 is equal to 6. Now first let me assume this is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. Okay, so doing like this will make it easier than doing this. Okay, so whenever you get the question in the exam, first write it as given and first write the equations, assume them as 1 and 2. Okay, yes, it will make the examiner everything clear. Okay, he feels like, or he or she feels like, okay, the student has done it so neatly. Okay, the first impression. Okay, now see, first I have to simplify it. Okay, simplify it. How will you simplify? Take LCM. So 2 into s, 2s plus 3 into t, 3t upon 3 2s are 6 is equal to this 6 here. Now 2s plus 3t is equal to 6 into 6. Why? You're going to send this here. So when you send this from here, it is going to get multiplied. 2s plus 3t is equal to 6 into 6, 36. So this is my third equation. Now there is no use of my second equation. I'm going to solve this and this now. So yes, once again I'm going to use this. S is equal to 3 plus t. Substitute. Now substituting equation 4 in equation 3. So 2, 3 plus t plus 3t is equal to 36. 2 3s are 6 plus 2 into t 2t plus 3t is equal to 36. 6 plus 3 plus 2 is 5t is equal to 36. 5t is equal to 30 and t is equal to 5 6 are 30. So yes, because 5 ones are 5 6. So my t is equal to 6. Now I should check what is yes, right? What is yes? So what will I do is I'll just solve it here. Okay, so what I got is t is equal to 6. I'm going to continue that here. Okay, I'm going to continue that here. Just observe how will I do it. Now I'll substitute t is equal to 6 in equation number 4. So yes is equal to, what is there, 3 plus t. T means 6. So 6. So yes is, now verify it. Yes is 9 minus t is 6. Yes, 9 minus 6 is 3. Satisfied. Got it? So we have solved it properly. So moving on to the third question. Okay, if you have any doubt regarding this, ask the doubt. There is no problem. Okay, ask it in the comment section. Okay, moving on to the next question. Yes, my third question is 3x minus y is equal to 3, 9x minus 3y is equal to 9. So before going into the question, I would suggest you to pause the video for a second and observe this question. Observe this question. Do you find anything, something, there is something special in this question? So see that, like whatever, okay, observe these both. Okay, there is something related to this. Okay, relate these both and see what you get. Okay, so pause your video and I hope observe. So yes, I hope you have paused the video and thought of something. Whether you answer it properly or not, that doesn't matter to me. But you have paused the video and observed something about the question. That is literally very very good thing. Okay, I appreciate it. So yes, 3x minus y is equal to 3. 9x minus 3y is equal to 9. So first let us solve this, and at last let me tell you about what you had to observe. Okay, yes. Yeah, I'm going to take this equation and substitute for y or x. Okay, I'll substitute for x. So 3x, it's your wish, whichever variable you choose, whichever equation you choose. Okay, so I'm just randomly doing it. Okay, so I'm going to choose first equation, 3x minus y is equal to 3. Assume this is equation number 1. Equation number 2. Now 3x is equal to 3 plus y. X is equal to 3 plus y by 3. Right? Now substitute x in equation 2. Okay, so 9, in place of x you're going to substitute this. So 3 plus y by 3 minus 3y is equal to 9. Okay, I hope you're able to understand it. In place of x you substituted this and got this equation. Now just solve. See, 9 into 3 plus y by 3 minus 3y is equal to 9. So 3 1s are 3 3s are. So 3 into 3 plus y minus 3y is equal to 9. 3 3s are 9 plus 3y minus 3y is equal to 9. 3 plus 3 minus 3 gets cancelled and 9 is equal to 9. What is this now? Right? What is this now? Which means if you have already watched my previous video, you will tuck. Okay, you will tell it like, a very fast thing. Okay, you will tell it that it is always true. It is always true case. Now what is this, right? So if you don't know, if you want detailed explanation, you can go to the previous video. But if you just need an idea, or if you want to just revise, you can just stay up here. So I'm going to tell you, whenever I had told you to observe the equation. Okay, so why? Because if you multiply this equation by 3, I mean divide by 3. Okay, divide by 3, you're going to get this equation. Or if you multiply this equation by 3, you will be getting this equation. So if you divide this by 3, you're getting this equation. If you multiply this by 3, you're getting this equation. Amazing, isn't it? So if you're getting something like this, where one equation is multiple of a number, or other equation is divisible by that number, which means that this equation, the second equation, is just the 3 times the first equation, right? The second equation is just the 3 times the first equation, which means when you draw the graph of these both, the line is going to coincident. Coincident line means you will be getting infinite solutions. Understanding my point? Which means they are consistent. Now what is consistent? What is this infinitely many solutions? If you don't know, I tell you, genuinely request you to go and watch the previous videos, guys, because all these are very, very basic things which you must know if you're reading this chapter. Understanding? Yes. So if you're getting such things like 9 is equal to 9, or something like 12 is equal to 12, or whatever, okay, if the number is equal to number, which means it is always true. Okay, it is always true case, where the equations are consistent, and you're going to have infinitely many solutions. Not that you have specific x is equal to one number. You have infinitely many solutions for x as well as for y. Understanding my point? So I hope you are able to understand this question. If you have any doubt, comment below. Okay, moving on to the next question, which is my fourth question. What are they asking? Yes, this is the equation and this is the equation. Now, see, to solve these questions, you can just go with the points. You can multiply 0.2, all this, but we don't feel comfortable. So to make it comfortable, to make it easier, just multiply these both equation with 10. Whenever you get something points, you just multiply them with 10. If you get something like the 0.02 x plus 0.03, so if you have something like this 2 zeros, then you can multiply it by 100. But here I have just 1, so I'm going to multiply it with 10. Okay, what will happen if I do like this? See, 0.2 into 10, multiply and see. Okay, multiply and see. If you want, I'll just make it. See, 0.2 into 10. If you do this, so 10 2s are 20. 10 into 0 is 0, but I'm going to bring 2. So after one number, there is a point. So I'm going to put here. So 2.0 is nothing but the same way. When you multiply 0.3 into 10, you're getting 3. 0.4, when you multiply it by 10, you will get 4. 0.5 into 10 will give you 5. 1.3 into 10 will give you 13. 2.3 into 10 will give you 23. Understanding? So yes. Now I'm going to make that equation in this way. 2x plus 3y is equal to 13. 4x plus 5y is equal to 23. So you are going to write that multiplying both the equations by 10, and then write these both and name it as equation number 1 and equation number 2. So I hope you're able to understand this. Yes. Now next thing is easier. Okay, just substitute any one of the equation. I'll take first equation and substitute for okay, I've done here with x. I had gone with x. Now I'll go with y. That's it. Okay. Yeah, you can choose anything. I am choosing first equation. You can go with second equation also. I'm going with y. You can go with x. Whatever. Okay, you will get the correct answer only. 2x by 3. So substituting. Okay, substituting. If you write all these, it will look very good. Okay, like the one who corrects your paper feels that you have clarity about the answer. You have understood the concepts well. Okay, see that you write all these things when you are solving it in your exam. Substituting y is equal to 13 minus 2x by 3 in equation 2. Okay, so yes, 4x plus 5 into 13 minus 2x by 3 is equal to 23. So 4x plus 5 into 13 will give you 65, minus 2 5s are 10x by 3 is equal to 23. Now multiply here, 3 4s are 12x plus 65 minus 10x by 3 is equal to 23. Send this here and solve it here. 12x minus 10x will give you 2x plus 65 is equal to 23 into 3. So 3 3s are 9 and 3 2s are is 6. So 69. 2x is equal to 69 minus 65. So your answer will be 69 minus 65 will give you 4. So x is equal to 2. Okay, because 2 ones are 2, 2. So x is equal to 2. Now we have to find y. So what will I do is, in place of x I'm going to substitute it as 2. So 13 minus 2 into 2 by 3. So y is equal to 13 minus 4 by 3. So y will give you 13 minus 4 will give you 9 by 3. Y is equal to 3 ones are 3 3s are, so y is equal to 3. So your x is 2 and y is 3. So these are your answers. So I hope you are able to understand it right neatly in your exam paper. Okay, so moving on to the next part. So your next part is root 2x plus 3 root 3y is equal to 0. Root 3x minus root 8y is equal to 0. Now how will I solve this? Easy, easy, easy. If you're just getting frightened by seeing these roots, don't worry, I'll help you doing it. Okay, now how should you solve these root whenever you have some root numbers, you will get like many confusions, like should I add these, how should I multiply these, root 2 into root 2. Many don't know that when you multiply root x, if I take for example root x into root x will give you x. Some people think root x, what is root x into root x, right? So such things if you don't know, then go into my channel. I have explained how should you solve root numbers. If you have the numbers containing root, all these I've explained you how should you solve that. Okay, so you can go through that video. Coming to the question, root x plus root 3y is equal to 0. Root 3x minus root 8y is equal to 0. Choose any one equation. Yeah, I'll choose this because there is a negative sign here. I will make it positive. Root 3x is equal to root 8y. X is equal to root 8y upon root 3. Make it equation 1, make it equation 2. Substituting x in equation 1. Okay, root 2 into root 8y upon root 3 plus root 3y is equal to 0. Okay, I hope you're able to understand this. Right now, multiply root 2 into root 8 will give you, see, root 2 into root 8. Multiply the inside things. 2 8s are 16 and root as it is. Sorry, 16 and root as it is. Means root 16. What is root 16? It is 4. Okay. So yes, this will give you root 16y upon root 3 plus root 3y is equal to 0. Now take the LCM. So the root 16 is 4y plus, now root 3 into root 3 will give you 3 only. The roots gets cancelled. Understanding? So how will this work is root 3 into root 3. Okay, multiply these. So this will give you 3 square. The square and this root gets cancelled and that's why you get 3. I hope you're able to understand this. Now 3y is equal to 0. Right? Yes. Now 4y, 4 plus 3 7y is equal to 0, and y is equal to 0. Why? 7y is equal to 0. Sending this here will give you y is equal to 0 by 7, which is 0. So I hope you were able to understand this. And now, if I substitute x is equal to root 8 into 0 by root 3, this also will give you 0. So my both x and y are zeros. I hope you're able to understand this. Moving on to the next question. Yes, what should you do here is you're going to take LCM and make the equation looks like these, okay, and then solve it. It's very easy. Now let me first take those equations down here. 5y by 3 is equal to minus 2. So take LCM. So 9x minus 2 5 is a 10y by 2 3 is a 6 is equal to minus 2. 9x minus 10y is equal to 6 into 2 minus 12. So this is going to be my equation number 1. Next, x by 3 plus y by 2 is equal to 13 by 6. 2x plus 3y by 6 is equal to 13 by 6. So this and this gets cancelled. So 2x plus 3y is equal to 13 is my equation number 2. Now just that you are going to substitute and write it in terms of x or y and substitute in the next equation. Correct? Yes. So I'm going to go with this. 9x is equal to 10y minus 12. X is equal to 10y minus 12 by x. Okay, so what will you get? Just observe. Yeah, it is 9, sorry, 9. So substituting x in equation number 2. Okay, substituting our x. So I'll just take a rough paper over here and solve it. Yes, see what do I have here? X. So take the second equation. 2x plus 3y is equal to 13. 2 into 10y minus 12 by 9 plus 3y is equal to 13. 2 into yeah, let me do it like this. 2 into 10, 20y minus 12 2s are 24 by 9 plus 3y is equal to 13. Right? Yes. Next is take LCM. 20y minus 24 plus 9 3s are 27y by 9 is equal to 13. See, you may know this substitution method very well, but where you go wrong sometimes is you will not take these LCMs properly. What do you do sometimes is I'll just make a box here and help you understand, because this is very very important. I had done many such mistakes and have lost marks many times, and that's why I'm going to explain this for you so that you don't do this mistake in the exam. Be careful with such things. So 20y minus 24 by 9 plus 3y is equal to 13. You have something like this. You know to take LCM. You know that you cannot just send this here. But sometimes what you do is, while writing it down, 20y minus 24 plus 3y by 9 is equal to 13. In the hurry, what you do is you write it like this, and now you'll send this 9 here and you're going to do solve it like this, which will give you wrong answer. Why? See, you have to take LCM and only then you're going to send this here. Not that you're going to put this big dash and put the 9 below these 3 and then bring that 9 there. No, that is completely false. Wrong method. What you should do is you should take LCM. Understanding? See, sometimes what happens, you know that you have to take LCM, you know that doing like this is wrong, but while writing from from this, you're going to see and write it down and you do the mistake. So please don't do such mistakes. I have done mistake and have lost complete 6 marks, believe me. Okay, in physics exam, what I had recently written, there was, you will have some numericals, okay, in the physics. So while solving that, what I had done was this. So because of this type of mistake, I had lost my marks. Around 4 marks I had lost, and 2 had gone in some other things, and completely 3 marks or 4 marks I had lost, just because I had done this step mistake. I had done wrong here and everything went wrong. Okay, so please be careful with such things. Okay, coming to the question. Now 20y plus 27y, which will give you 47y, minus 24 is equal to 13 into 9. Okay, so yes, 47y is equal to, so what is 13 into 9? 9 3s are 27, 9 1s are 9, 10, 11 plus 24. Just send it here. So 117, 127, 37, 37 plus 4 will give you 141, correct? So 117 plus 24, 7 plus 4 will give you 11, 2 3 4 and 1. Yes, so 47, 47y is equal to 141. Understanding? So next, y is equal to 141 upon 47. Check whether 47 into 2, 2 sevens are 14, 2 fours are 8, 9. Okay, 47 into, let me go with, yeah, 7. 7 sevens are, no. It will give you 9 over there. What can I get? 1, 3. Okay, 3. Let me go with 3 only. 3 sevens are 21, 3 fours are 12, 13, 14. Yes, 3 times. So y is equal to 3, because 47 ones are and 47 threes are. So when I got y here, I'm going to substitute this into this, what we had made the equation. So yes, x is equal to 10y minus 12 by 9. X is equal to 10 into 3 minus 12 by 9. 10 3 30 minus 12 by 9, and 30 minus 10 will give you 20, which will give you 18 by 9. So yes, x is equal to 9 1 9 2. So your x is 2 and your y is 3. I hope you were able to understand this question. Okay, moving on to the next question. Okay, so what is your next question? See, solve this equation and this equation, and hence find the value of m. So I have to find the value of m. Okay, so you know this is the equation for straight line. This is straight line equation. Straight line equation. And here m is nothing but slope. Don't worry much about it. All this will be taught to you in your class 11th. Now no need to worry. But what are they asking you is to find this m. So let me tell you the roadmap first. How should you solve this? You're going to solve these both by substitution method. You'll get x and y. You know that. And you're going to substitute that x and y into this equation and you'll get m. That's it. Okay, yes, let me start solving it. So 2x plus 3y is equal to 11. 2x minus 4y is equal to minus 24. As usual, I'll go with this equation because it contains negative sign. Minus 24 plus 4y. X is equal to, let me write it in proper way. First, let me write the positive term and next negative term, so that it makes me look easier. Okay, I got my x. Let me put it as equation number 1, equation number 2. Substituting x is equal to 4y minus 24 by 2 in equation 1. So 2 into 4y minus 24 by 2 plus 3y is equal to 11. 2 gets cancelled. 4y minus 24 plus 3y is equal to 11. 4 plus 3 will give you 7y is equal to 11 plus 24. 7y is equal to 24, 34, 35. So y is equal to 5. Y, 7 ones are 7, 5s are. Correct? So yes, I got my y. Now I have to find x. What will you do is, you substitute y into this equation now. X is equal to 4 into 5 minus 24 by 2. X is equal to 20 minus 24 by 2, which will give you minus 4 by 2. So x is equal to minus 2. 2 ones are 2. So your y is 5 and your x is 2. So you have found x and y, and now y is equal to mx plus 3. Substitute y and x here to get yum. What have they asked ultimately? To find yum. So yes, my y is 5 yum into minus 2 plus 3. 5 is equal to minus 2m plus 3. Send this here. 5 minus 3 is equal to minus 2m. 2 is equal to minus 2m. And yes, so m is equal to minus 1. Correct? So my m is minus 1. I hope you were able to understand whatever I have taught in this video. And yes, if you have come till the end of the video, which means you have liked the explanation, you have understood the solutions, so hit the like buttons to support me. And yes, it will of course motivate me if you comment below how did you feel, and if you want me to make any improvements in explanation, or if you need something from me more. Okay, yes, thank you.